the SLUSHY soldier, the snowman in Fortnite. That's the skin we're gonna draw today. There's going to be a pencil illustration like this and also a marker illustration. So before we begin, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, help us reach 200,000 subscribers, and make sure when you are subscribing, turn on the small notification bell to get all the notifications from the channel. So go ahead and do that, and it would really mean a lot. And also make sure you guys like this video to show your appreciation to the hard work that we put in making all of these videos. So go ahead and like this video. It would really mean a lot if you guys can go ahead and smash the like bar for this Christmas. So like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. So we are going to do a fast forward pencil illustration, which is going to go on for like 3 minutes or so. And after we're done with the pencil illustration, we're going to go ahead and do a proper live marker illustration tutorial so that you can draw it as well. Now the pencil tutorial is only for the people who think, you know, just I'm skipping forward the process. So I'm just doing a pencil illustration to show you guys that it takes time to make things good. So this is going to be a pencil illustration, and after I'm done with the pencil illustration, I'm going to do a marker illustration where I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to get the final product so that you guys can make this, you know, skin for yourself. Maybe it can be for a greetings card or a poster that you want to put up in your wall for this Christmas, or you want to give some of your Fortnite friends the same. So yes, and the colors are totally up to you. You can choose the colors which is in Fortnite, or you can use your imaginative colors in the skin's sweater or whatever you guys want. So yes, make sure you guys do that, and trust me guys, like the final product is really awesome like once you guys color it. So this is the pencil illustration on how to do it on a step-by-step process. Soon we are going to show you a marker illustration. So if you're watching this right now, I would ask you guys to grab a piece of paper, pencil, and an eraser, and make sure you have sharpened your pencil and get ready. Alright, you guys get ready to have a blast where we are going to show you guys how to draw this in a skin for yourself. Okay, so we're going to start real soon. So just get yourself everything. Don't do it with a marker when I start illustrating you guys how I am doing it. So here we go, guys. Just make sure like you don't have to worry about making the face, the hands, or the shirt, the sweater. We are going to tell you in a very detailed tutorial on how to do it. A step-by-step procedure. You don't have to like worry about like, whoa, it looks so complicated. How the hell am I supposed to do this? Well, worry not. I am here to help you guys out. Maybe you can also check out some other skins that I have drawn on this channel. So go to the channel and check out those drawings that I've done of a Nogobs, the tier 100 skin. So yes, this is the pencil illustration. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how this thing looks like, and we're also we can just go ahead and draw a Christmas tree in the background if that's what you want. So here's a marker illustration. So to start off with, we start with a big mirrored C, like a big curve. Okay, I hope you guys are with me on this. So we draw a big C right over there on top of the paper. Okay, I hope you guys are following me through the same. And then we make a straight line. Okay, just make sure it's literally not on top, it's on the sideways. So at 1 o'clock, you know, you draw a straight line, and from there you draw another curve on the other side. Okay, from here all you need to do is just make a curve just like that. Okay, and make a small line on the other side as well. Okay, so very simple. Just do this thing like your head structure, like we go from a simple structure and making detailed things one after the other. From there we make two straight lines, two small lines as you guys can see in the video, and from there we draw like a small diamond structure, like 4 straight lines one after the other next to each other to give it the feeling of a leaf. Okay, 3 leaves together. So from there we join the line, and what do we do after this? We make a straight line on top. Okay, make it a curved, straight, whatever you guys want. So it's totally up to you because it's a cap and can be any structure you guys want. From there you can just, you know, join the 2 structures by a small curve. I just made a small hat because I don't have much space. If you have a lot of space, you can definitely make a bigger hat. And now what we're going to do from these 2 straight lines, we're going to make a small curve, another one, like 2 curves, and from there we're going to join these 2 lines by another parallel line from the curve that from where we started. Like, do you guys see those two lines? One parallel to the other one. From there, we make a straight line like that, like a little bit curvy at the end. We make a parallel one, and we join these two lines after we're done with that. Okay, two lines right after the other, and both of them get joined. So from there, we make a small curve, and then another curve, like two curves right after each other, to make the shoulders. From here, we're going to start drawing from a little bit of distance. I'll tell you why. Okay, leave some space when you start drawing the curve, just like me, and make like two curves on this side as well. Now I've left the space to make the carrot belt. Okay, the carrot belt. So from there, you make a small bumpy, like a curve, a small bumpy curve. Looks super simple. Okay. Now from there, you make another curve, just like that, to give it the structure of the hand. And from the other side, you do the same. Okay. I hope you guys have followed me through this and you have reached this stage. From there, you make a straight line and a little bit curvy at the end. Straight and curve. Okay, straight and curve. This is a very detailed tutorial, so I'm pretty sure you will be able to do this whole skin at no time. From there, you make a small curve, join these two structures at the end. And from there, you make the sleeves of the sweater. We make another curve right over there. And from here, we make another curve to give it the feeling of a sweater. We're going to go to the details later. So, from here, we're going to make like listen to it, 3 curves, okay? We had one curve over here, 1, 2, and 3, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Like, curves go in and out. The same thing over here. 3 curves, 1, 2, 3, okay? Okay, just follow 1, 2, and 3. So that's how we do it. It's not a big curve, but it's a very slanty curve. It's not like the curvature is not too strong. From here, we make like a small circle, just like to make the structure of a carrot. From there, we do the same. Again, same. And just leave some distance in the between, because in between, so that you can make the carrots, and also make the bell. So you make like inverted U's, one after the other. If you want some help, you can ask your siblings or your parents to help you out with the drawing if you're finding it difficult to follow the tutorial. So yes, from there you make small circles like that, a little bit bigger than the inverted U's that you made, to give it the structure of the belt holding the carrots. Okay, a step-by-step structure. From here you make V's, like the alphabet V. You make V's one under the other. V, V, and V. Okay? From here, you connect all these things together. Alrighty. I hope you guys have followed me through this tutorial. From here, join these straight lines one after the other. Awesome. Looks fantastic. If you guys have followed me through this, like the toughest part is almost done. From here, you make like a curved line, and then make another curved line to make the belly. Okay, curve and like another curve right over there. From here, you make another curve, like a super simple curve. From there, you make a slant curve just like that, you guys can see, and make another parallel curve next to it. Super simple, isn't it? 3 curves, but just don't join them, because we need to make the smoky cute things which is hanging on his belt straps. So from here, we're making the sweater lines. It's not a necessity that it should be in a direct straight curve. If you want, you can make it like in any lines, because it's a sweater and it can be in any form. So you can put in any designs that you have in your mind, or you can just directly follow me through this tutorial. So we're going to make another parallel line to the line that we have on the sweater already. So I hope you guys are following me through this. For over here, we make 2 straight lines and parallel lines to give it the feeling of a sweater. We add the sweater right over there. We'll make the sleeves. Looks nice, isn't it? So from here, we'll make the straps of the belt and the main buckle. So all these Fortnite characters, almost half of the characters have like double straps and belts and everything. So that's the reason and over here I'm making an ice flake just to give the feeling of a snowman, just like the way we have it in the game. So we're making an ice flake right over there. Some straps. Looks good already. Over here we make like some straight lines to give it the circular things which hangs on its belt. Looks cute though. So we're gonna put it right over there. The stinky things, you know, that we have in Fortnite. So we are gonna make some accessories for our snowman. So we have one already over there. So we're going to draw another circle, give it the nose, and yeah, it looks nice. These accessories that our slushy soldier is carrying. I love the snowman guy, you know, like I love the skin just for this season. You know, it's a brand new skin, and I'm super happy, you know, that Fortnite added this skin. I saw it in the trailer, but never thought that it would come back. But I did think of it as this as a creature or like some sort of thing which will come. Over here, we start making lines right after each other, like 3 lines. Okay, 1 for the zipper and 2 for both his pants. From here, we make a curved line, straight curves. To make the fingers, you can follow me as I take you through the journey, like a simple steps tutorial on how to draw our snowman. Okay, so from here we're going to make the extension of his fingers to give it a more realistic feeling. Do you guys like it already? I know that. It looks amazing, isn't it? We give it the feeling of a glove, just like the way we have it in the game. From there, we increase his trousers. Super easy, super simple. I don't have much space on my overhead cam, so I'm just gonna move the page today. So from here, we're going to extend the pants. You can make it into any curve you guys want. You can put it in any posture. You can change his hands, the way he looks, the way he's standing. If you guys are facing it difficult to draw his hands, maybe you can change the structure of his hands, like the posture, so that in that way you don't have to draw the hands. Maybe like if you put the hands in the back or something. So we make 2 pockets, like 2 curves right after each other. Looks simple, isn't it? From here, we're going to make the carrot holder, like the one that he's always carrying. So yes, from here, like 2 different curves. So just wanted to make sure that I hope you guys have liked this video, because it takes a lot of effort to make these videos, and I really appreciate it if you guys can go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because we're here with like daily Fortnite videos, and it would really mean a lot if you guys can show some support to the channel by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. Like seriously though, like it would really mean a lot. It would be a nice thing to reach 200,000 subscribers, so you guys can make that come true, and you guys have the power. So I really appreciate if you guys can do that. So we're going to do the other hand, like, you know, give it some more structure just to make it look like that it's holding onto something that is almost going to grab his carrot. So it looks amazing, isn't it? So that's a small modification that I did from my part, and which is not available in the game character. So we're going to make some details in the sweater, as you guys can see in the video. One after the other. You can make like small triangles. I'm just going to make some curvy lines just to give it the feeling that he is wearing a nice cozy sweater in Christmas. So yes, straight line over here, another straight line over there. Give it some more curvy feeling. Now in the center you can draw a snowflake, but I want to be like in a super careful. So I'm not going to make it with my marker. Instead I'm going to do it with a pencil, the whole big ice flake thing, which you guys can see on his sweater. You can definitely do that. Alrighty, I hope you guys are following me through this. So we make like small dots. You can use your markers, sketch pens after you're done drawing. Just remember that, okay? Or if you want, you can use some white paint and you can start putting it on the sweater, okay, while you're coloring. You can choose the colors at the end of this video, or directly go to the picture in the beginning where I've showed you guys. So it's super simple, like 1 dot right after each other. Dot, just to give it the feeling of a nice sweater that the slushy soldier is wearing in Fortnite. So 1 dot right after each other, like dots. Alrighty, looks good already, isn't it? But yo, I hope you guys are following me through this, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the eyes. If you can make the structure of the eyes in any way you guys want, in any direction that he wants to look, so you can make it into something that you can put up on your poster, that you want to put it up in your wall in your room, so if you want it to look at you directly. you can definitely do that. And we can make a smile, you know, right over there. If you want, you can put the teeth and everything. It's totally up to you, ladies and gentlemen. Like the modifications, the important thing is for me is to make you guys understand the main structure. The inner modifications are totally up to you. So after coloring, lo and behold, it looks like this. Boom. It takes a lot of time. You can use pencil colors, poster colors, water paint, like any colors you guys want. The more time you put in, the better it's gonna be. So yes, check out the videos which are appearing on the screen right now. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. It would really mean a lot if you guys can do that, and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Goodbye.